Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 important mistakes traders should avoid, okay? So make sure you watch this video till the end and I will be guiding you the mistakes that everyone should avoid in trading that might be for your trading purpose, okay? And also if you're not to watch my last video, I have made a video like how to make consistent profit from stock market. So make sure you go inside my channel and watch this video, okay? In that also I have shared my 4 important tips to make consistent profit from stock market. Okay, you can watch this video and also you can go inside my channel and watch all of these videos. It may be able for your trading purpose, and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Also you can visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. this link will be given in the description below of this video so that you can know about my additional services what I provide. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course, so all the details have been mentioned here. You can go inside this blogspot and see all the things, and also here you can see feedback from my clients after taking the course and earning proof by my clients after taking the course. Okay, so here you can see all kind of earnings, how my clients are earning after joining my course. Also you can see the ledger proof, and also many of my client has won the 0 to 6 days challenge, even that has been displayed here. As you can see the ledger proof here, 25,000 rupees profit in 5 days of intraday trading. So these are the ledger proof. Okay, so one by one you can see all of these things, and if you are interested to earn consistently like this, you can definitely join us. And also the course prices are very reasonable and less priced, and also if you're taking both MCX and NSE course, you're getting the discount in the price also. Okay, and also you can see here one of my client has recently bought a car after trading 5 months consistently by my core strategies what I have taught. So here is a screenshot of it, even that has been displayed here, so you can watch all of these things. And if you're interested to earn consistently like this, you can definitely join us. And these are the certificates of 60 days challenge won by my clients, and these are a lot of ledger proofs. So you can go inside my blogspot link, this will be given in the description below of this video, and watch all of these things guys. And if you're interested, you can definitely join us. And also you can see here the feedback from my clients after taking the course. So these are the feedback what I get after the clients. Okay, so these are the messages, so you can just go inside this and read the messages from my clients what they've given, and you can see how they're feeling about my course after taking the course, and these are their feedbacks. Okay, and also one of my client who has 1 lakh rupees loss, he is almost recovering his loss now. Okay, so you can see all of these things. Okay, all of the things have been displayed here, you can see this. And if you're interested, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and take the course and earn consistently like this. Okay, so guys, by being said that, I'll be talking about the 3 important mistakes traders should avoid. Okay, so I'll be talking about the points now. So guys, the first point is putting maximum capital. So this point will be applied for both a beginner or a people who are losing consistently in the stock market. So for example, if you are a beginner to the market, don't just see trading and then start off the trading by the next day itself. Okay, and also if you're starting like that, don't put the maximum capital. Like I heard so many people, they will not even be knowing the basics, but they will open the account and they'll put 50,000, 1 lakh. They just do trading however they want, and they lose their money, and then they feel like stock market is dangerous and all the things, and they feel like they can't even earn from stock market. So that's the biggest mistake, so avoid that. Okay, don't ever come and put a maximum capital if you are a beginner. The minimum capital, you should trade it in a minimum capital. If you're a beginner, I would suggest 5,000 to 10,000 rupees if you are a beginner. Okay, and the next point is paper trading. And also if you're, as I said you guys, if you're a beginner and if you're earning money, if you're not making money constantly in the market, paper trade. Okay, so practice it for 1 or 2 months. Paper trade your strategies, or paper trade whatever the knowledge you have to do on a real market. So once you do a paper trading and once you're successful in paper trading, then only do a real trading. So don't ever jump into stock market and do an real trading without any knowledge. Okay, and avoid trading on news. So I've seen many of the beginners, what they do is they will be watching the news, or if any stock news comes out, they will go and buy that or go and sell that. So don't ever do that. Sometimes the news may be fake, or sometimes the news thing may be reverse. Okay, so avoid trading on news basis guys. So always follow your trading setup or the trading strategy what you're following, so only trade according to that. Okay, so these are the three main important things to the beginner or to the person who is not making consistently in the market to follow this. Okay, and follow these things. This might be helpful for your trading purpose to make you profitable in a consistent way manner. Okay, and also don't forget to check out this last video, that is how to make consistent profit from stock market. So that might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this for important tips. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos regularly. I update how much profit we made and how we made everything. In this I'll show you how consistently we are making and how accurately we are earning. So if you're interested to earn like this consistently, you can definitely join us. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.